good?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Oh, 我到了波士顿的南海，就是在波士顿南边的大海。介绍我的好朋友 Norm Laviolette。他是 Improv Asylum 即兴疯人院的创始人，我要让他介绍一下我们为什么在这儿，因为确实很冷现在，所以。
So we are out here because throughout the pandemic, all live entertainment and comedy is closed.
Closed for a year now. A year.
I made the stupid pronouncement on May 1st that I would jump in the ocean every day until my comedy clubs reopened. With you joining me, today is day 308 days in a row.
连续308天。
I thought it would be a good opportunity to raise money for out-of-work comedians and actors and individuals and artists. And so we're raising money through our No Rest for the Wicked Funny Foundation. But I also wanted to show you something.
Yes.
Very excited. This is very important to me.
We have the 中美喜剧中心 T-shirt. Let's get a good shot of that. And you know what I wore as well? I also wore my
We didn't plan this.
We did not plan that.
This is great. So this is what we do. We just run in.
Okay.
We dive in.
Yep.
And we run out.
Okay.
That is it.
That's it.
And it is below freezing, so it is cold.
Okay. All right. So then, yeah, it is really cold. Now that I'm here, I kind of regret.
Here we go.
All right. Okay. Woo! 太冷了！太冷了！太冷了！太冷了！Woo! Oh, I haven't been this cold in a long time. Well, this has been fantastic. I'm gonna run to my car.
Yeah, go to your car.
Oh. 我复活了以后 ，Norm 带我去那个大沙滩，我们聊过演员疫情时期的问题，但是因为声音质量太差了，我先配一个音，告诉大家我们聊过什么呢？很多人认为线上演出都是可以替代演员的收入，但是其实线上的演出很难变现，所以每次冲进大海是老板帮助演员坚持到疫情的结尾。How can people go on and donate to the foundation?
You can go to improvasylum.com/no-rest.
I'm happy to donate $88.
Yes!
$88, very lucky number to the fund. If any of you feel like helping out as well, that would be great. So Norm came to Beijing and visited me in the Sihe Yard when I had the Courtyard Theater. Hopefully we'll get the comedians back on stage in America, and then after that, you guys come back to China.
Oh,
we'll do more stuff together there.
I loved my time in China so much. I had such a great time. I cannot wait to get back to work.
Very cool.
And one last thing, I want to introduce.
Oh yeah, 介绍一下我们的特殊嘉宾。
你好，这是我的爸爸，我是蓝秀，我的 Instagram 是 Lucy Lavalette。
Lucy Lavalette.
What about your TikTok?
Yeah, TikTok.
TikTok. What's your?
我的 TikTok Lucy_the cat with 3 T's.
Okay. 好。
All right.
太好了。